I think it's amazing how a smile can impact a person's confidence and their feeling about themselves. The main difference between Confident Aligners and any other aligner system that's out there is it is a complete in-house product. Confident Aligners is truly 3 very simple steps. The first step is a scan step. The scan is basically a 3D intraoral camera that captures the alignment of your teeth in their current position. After we have that, we actually import that information into our software, and that is where we actually get a chance to plan your case. That is the portion where we physically, as the orthodontist, get to move the teeth and get them to the position that they need to be. You always have a professional watching every step to make sure that your teeth are going to move in an efficient and effective manner. And then the final step is when we actually will print the model from which that we can actually make your aligner that you will be wearing. Most of the time you'll change your aligners out every 5 to 7 days, and we slowly guide your teeth into the proper position.
There's so many people that may have one tooth that's always bothered them, or haven't kept up with their retainers, or things have shifted. It's just a way for our patients to get that smile that they've always wanted in a very efficient way and a cost-effective way.
When you're out in public or with your friends, that's the first thing that people see. So our job here at Sawyer Creek is to help patients develop that smile that they've always wanted.